Hey everyone, Will McReynolds here. I usually don't do too many tutorials on other companies' software, but check this out. This is plask.ai, and what you can do is take your extract the animation body pose from a video. So I'm already logged in, so I'm going to get started, and then you can apply that to an avatar. So once I go get started, I'm brought into the dashboard, and it populates with 4 models at the gate, but you can also add your own models. In this case, I'm just going to take the mannequin. And I'm simply going to go record. It will bring up my camera. There we go. I'm going to move my chair back. Now this is handy for if you want to do like maybe proper motion for weightlifting or yoga, or maybe things that require proper form or training perhaps, as well as dancing and other things. So in this case, I'm just going to record. Wave, maybe crouch, back up, other wave, and that's about it. I'm not going to get too crazy today. You could also dance probably. So one of the most important parts I find is to make sure that on this trim tool is you trim it down to where you stay in frame. Let's just hit play and see what that looks like. A little bit more. Perfect. We'll extract motion. This will take a minute or two. Call this Will. All right, once it's done extracting the motion, it'll bring you back to the dashboard automatically. And now we see that we now have a component called Will in the structure over here in the menu. So I'm just going to drag it on top of the mannequin. I found that the best way to add the animation. I'm going to go play, see what happens. Okay, apparently it doesn't do the whole animation. Maybe I don't have the timeline set properly. Let's just pause this. Well, I'm not going to worry too much about timeline right now. It's we can mess around with that in another tutorial. Let's just come up here and let's extract this model now. So what you want to do is right click on the actual mannequin name and go export. In this case, I'm going to pick GLB and go export. You have to double click it apparently. Okay, I'm going to go to Worldcast. I'm going to go Showcast. I'm going to go freemium. So this is on studio.worldcast.io. I'm going to go freemium. I'm just going to call this Plask, sorry. And we'll say 6 feet, because that's what I am. And go create. And I'm simply going to drag this from a folder, drag and drop the model over into the studio. Proceed. It's 6 feet, perfect. And I'm going to go save. Save and publish. And we will scan this QR code. And we'll just tap the place in my space. And there's the model with the animation with the waving, crouching down, and waving with my other arm. Beautiful. And that's how fast it was to create and extract some animation. I'm sure there's some other tips that can be done. That's just a really quick introduction to plask.ai. So again, that's plask.ai that you go to. And of course, you can bring your models into studio.worldcast.io, into Showcast or Printcast or Geocast. As always, I can't wait to see what you create.